Welcome to the fabulous. It's been one of those days, so you jump into a hot shower and thoughts begin racing. Whatever they are, they become the most pressing thoughts in your head. When you're relaxed and happy, goals are made, new ideas come to mind, plans and projects are completed with ease. But when you're troubled, darker thoughts begin to form, and you become anxious, weakening your resolve. Your new ideas begin to fade into the background. This is what happens when you're stressed. This is why today's lesson is on what happens to your body when you're too stressed and how to deal with it. Imagine engaging in a heated argument with a family member. After the argument, you find yourself reliving and analyzing the debate in your head throughout the day. You become less productive. You're unable to enjoy yourself. And your overall mental fitness is inhibited. But it doesn't always have to unfold like this. Some stress can be good, like when you have a deadline, or the ups and downs of being in love. But be aware of extended periods of stress. This will make it easier for bad thoughts to crawl back into your mind whenever you find yourself unoccupied, which can lead to chronic anxiety or even depression. One of the best ways to deal with stress is to learn about other people's experiences. Facebook COO Sheryl Sandberg believes stress presents an opportunity for choice. You can give into the void, the emptiness that fills your heart, or you could try to find meaning. It's time for you to take your first steps dealing with stress. Each morning for the next 5 days, take a moment to sit and do nothing but breathe. Sit still and don't forget to think of anything, but also don't try to suppress your thoughts. Listen to the wind of your thoughts as they blow across your consciousness. Is there one thought that sits in your mind like a rain cloud refusing to clear? Write down the stressful thought and answer this question. Can I do something about this? If it is, how will you take action today to clear away the storm cloud that's taking up space in your mind? Ask yourself, is this stressful thought something I have no control over? If so, do your best to accept it and find consolation in the fact that this thing is beyond your control. Stay tuned for your next lesson, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video.